Please open your book page 25, and now the first thing you have to do is write down today's date on your upper right first, okay? Today is 3rd of December 2020. Add or subtract, then match to the correct group of notes. So now we are going to do this add or subtract. So when you see this symbol, that you will know this is add. Add is plus. Okay, this is also plus, and this minus. This is minus. Subtract. Subtract is minus. Minus is cut. When you cut, you show my sweet. Okay, so now we are going to count this first and count this first, then count if then you after you count all this, then you can just match. Okay, so now we are going to count it. The first here, RM2 plus RM2 equal. So here got just one digit, so we no need to underline anything. We no need to underline the one, so we just direct to count it. 2 plus 2 equal. If here it didn't write down RM, so you have to write down RM, but here already write down RM, so you no need to write again. Okay, so you just have to count it. 2 plus 2 equal. Plus is circle the biggest number, so circle the 2, put inside my head, show my finger 2. How many inside my head? 2, 3, 4. So I write down here 4. Okay, so you just have to count it like this. Then you just find which one it calls. The total number here is 4, RM4. So we see this. So 1, I put inside my head, show my finger 1, show my finger 1, show my finger 1. How many inside my head? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total here got RM4. Then you just use your ruler. You just use, because these total number was same, so it's the same. The price is the same, so you just draw this. You just match this. Okay, the answer is the same, so you just match them. Okay. So up here you have to do as your homework, and I think you all have to see the question carefully, because this is minus. Minus is show my sweet and cut the number. Okay, so you have to do it as your homework. If there got any further question, you may ask me. Okay, children, so please look at the question carefully. And now we're going to do this exercise. Kenny has RM6 after he buys a hamburger. How much money will he have left? So a hamburger, you have to know, a hamburger, it costs how many? It costs RM4. So we write down a small RM4 here. Okay, so Kenny has how many ringgit Malaysia? He got RM6 in total, that he have RM6. Then he buys a hamburger. A hamburger, it costs RM4. How much money will he have left? When you see the word left, then you will know this is minus. Okay, minus. Then now we are going to count this. RM6 minus RM4 equal. RM you have to write down first, because if you didn't write down first, later you will forget to write it. So it was sorry, I just write again. It was important that you have to write down, because this one is very important to you also. You have to write down RM here. Okay, so now let's count the numbers here. 6 minus 4 equal. Minus, show my sweet, show my finger 6. Cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 2. So I write down here 2. So how much money will he have left? Can he have left 2 ringgit Malaysia? after he buys a hamburger.